trying something different for dinner tonight. We're doing the Quinoa blend near East Quiona, and this particular one is roasted red peppers and basil. And with that, I have some chicken fried up over here. That's just staying warm, and I will combine those for one pot meal once this quinoa blend and brown rice is finished cooking. So smells delicious, and I can't wait to dig in. Quinoa and brown rice blend with the basil and red pepper seasoning all ready to go, and the chicken has been shredded into small pieces. Next step is just to pour all this chicken over the rice and quinoa blend and just cover and let that simmer, and we will be having this meal with lettuce and vinaigrette dressing. Actually, we love the Olive Garden dressing, so there, have to make dinner easy. So we have our Near East quinoa blend of brown rice and quinoa with roasted red pepper and basil seasoning. This will be our first attempt at having this meal, so can't wait. Here is our finished product. I could not resist taking a taste of it, and this is delish.